Glass skin in a bottle? I tried Foxtale Collagen-PDRN Renewal Serum and the results honestly surprised me. Hey beautiful souls, welcome back to my channel. If you love skincare that actually works, then you are going to love today's video. So today I'm reviewing Foxtale Collagen-PDRN Cell Renewal Serum. I've tested it properly and I'm sharing my real experience, result and whether it's worth your money or not. So first let's talk about the packaging of the product and the name of the product. So the name of the product is Collagen-PDRN Cell Renewal Serum. Okay, it is written here that it is vegan collagen PDRN niacinamide PGA. Hydrates and strengthens barrier, boosts elasticity for glass skin glow. All skin types comes in 30 ml bottle and all other information also written on the back of the product. So this serum brightens skin, hydrates deeply, makes skin plump and smooth, targets dry, dehydrated and rough skin, fine lines, uneven skin tone, texture, dull skin. How to use? I will show you on the screen. So you will get an idea कि आप इसको कैसे use कर सकते हो. When to use? You just need to clean your face with cleanser, mild, soft cleanser, collagen PDRN cell renewal serum, moisturizer, and then sunscreen SPF. And if you are using in a night time, then just you need to apply this and the moisturizer. So pairs best with hydrating face wash, Super Glow moisturizer, which is also from Foxtale brand. Now let's talk about who should use this serum. So this serum is basically for dry, dehydrated and rough skin, fine lines, uneven skin tone, texture and dull skin.
So this serum is designed for skin repair, hydration and glow. It contains collagen for plump, youthful skin, PDRN known for skin repair and regeneration. Basically it targets dullness, fine lines and tired looking skin. The texture is lightweight, slightly gel-like and super hydrating. It absorbs quickly and doesn't feel sticky at all. I used this serum twice a day, morning and night, after cleansing and before moisturizer. And of course during the day always follow with sunscreen. As you can see on the screen, I haven't applied anything on my face right now, and after consistent use I noticed my skin looked more hydrated, slightly plumper, healthier and fresher. It gave me that natural glow without feeling heavy on the skin. तो चलो अब बात करते हैं pros and cons of this product. Pros are lightweighted and hydrating, gives natural glow, beginner friendly and good for daily use. On the other hand, cons are needs consistent use for visible results, not a quick fix product.
So overall, the Foxtale Collagen PDRN Cell Renewal Serum is a good everyday serum for hydration and glow, and especially if you want something simple and effective. If this review video helped you, do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more honest skincare reviews. Now I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay fit, stay healthy and take care guys. Bye. Keep glowing.